Hey friends, let's move and learn. Get ready for ABC actions. A is for apple, arms up high. Stretch them to the sky. B is for ball, bend down low. Touch your toes, now up we go. C is for cat, clap, clap, clap. 3 big claps, tap, tap, tap. D is for drum, dance around. Spin in circles on the ground. E is for elephant, elbow wave. Wave them big like elephants brave. F is for fish, float your hands. Swim, swish, swish like underwater land. G is for gorilla, go stomp, go stomp. Stomp your feet with a jump, jump, jump. H is for horse, hop so high. Hop like horses, touch the sky. I is for ice cream, in place run. Tiny steps, it's so much fun. J is for jelly, jiggle, jiggle. Wiggly belly, wiggle, wiggle. K is for kite, kick your legs. Kick, kick, kick like flying pegs. L is for lion, loud roar. Roar like lions, more and more. M is for monkey, move side to side. Swing your arms so big and wide. N is for nest, nod your head. Up and down like birds in bed. O is for octopus, open arms wide. 8 big wiggles, side to side. P is for penguin, penguin walk. Waddle, waddle, small feet talk. Q is for queen, quiet pose. Hands on crown, pretty nose. R is for rabbit, rapid hops. Hop, hop, hop and never stop. S is for snake, slither slow. Wiggle like snakes wherever you go. T is for train, toot toot pull. Pull the horn, full of thrill. U is for umbrella, up you lift. Raise your hands, a rainy drift. V is for violin, very soft play. Play your violin all the way. W is for whale, wave so wide. Big blue waves from side to side. X is for siphon, X-ray tap. Tap, tap, tap with a happy clap. Y is for yak, yawn big, big. Stretch your arms, wiggle and gig. Z is for zoom, zoom around. Run in a circle, round and round. Z is for zoom, zoom around. Run in a circle, round